Hi guys, just like the title says, we're going to be texlaxing this beauty, this mane, and yeah, I've been carrying it for some time now, so now it's time to get it on natural. Stay tuned and subscribe while we go fully into the video. So before me I have my scissors, comb, and a Vaseline for the edges. Yeah, this is a co-wash, my favorite co-wash right now. I'm going to use this after shampooing. Then finally, yes, the main thing for today is just for me texture, softener, no light system, blah 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 blah. I've watched 1,001 YouTube videos before making this video and deciding to go with this choice. So here's the step 1. Then we have the 1B, then the gloves and the spatula and in here, and the other stuff. My oil didn't come in a bottle, so it came in a nylon. And yes, there's also the step 3, and finally the step 2. Sorry, I didn't arrange them accordingly, but yeah, let's do this. Let's get straight into the video. So I'm going to be changing from this wonderful dress I'm putting on into my hairdress and hair mode. But before we go fully into that, let me give you a brief rundown about my beautiful hair. So back in 2013, 2014, I actually started, the all natural thingy because I just felt tired of my relaxed hair. Now I can't even remember what my relaxed hair used to look like. That's about six years ago. Yeah, I started transitioning in 2013 and 2014 I went fully natural. I carried that for 3 years plus. Then I just decided to cut it. I don't know if I'll be able to add the video here. I went to the barber's and I chopped it off. And I started from the scratch in 2018. March 2018 I did the first low cut. Then April 30th, 2018 I finally shaved my hair to the ground. And I went fully natural and I started this journey, and so far my hair has grown like crazy. Let me show you how long it is. It's been 2 years. April 30th makes it like 2 years, so 2 years and 1 month old. This time around I don't want to cut it. I'm bored already, so since I have the whole hair thing going for me, I'm just gonna relax it and see how it goes. So this right now is my current hair status. It's pretty long. See? And I'm not even stretching it enough. So, and it shrinks like mad, like crazy. And if you've seen my other videos on hair, I don't comb my hair with the normal comb, my finger comb my hair. So I'm sure that's why it's grown so well in the past years, because when I was cutting my hair at 3, it was similar to this length as well too. So yeah. What have I been using for my hair? I mainly use leave-in conditioners, coconut oil, shea butter, and water. I don't do much. For the past 2 years, I've mainly been dependent and I rely on wigs, mainly wigs. So we keep growing, we keep evolving. But now I want to texlax, and I don't care what anybody's saying. I want to do it my way. So enjoy while I do it my way. I'm getting too aggressive, but yeah, let's just see what it looks like. I know people are telling me I'm going to regret it, and I already know I have a very small head, so my head might be flatter, but I'm looking at not making it too coily, too straight. So I'm not going to, normally on the park they say to leave it for about 15 minutes there about, but I'm going to leave mine on for, say, in total 9 to 12 minutes. So it's still there's a coil. I still want to have my frill baby. So now, after all that long story, let's get into the main thing. So I have successfully sectioned my hair with the help of a spiritual help. And now I'm going to apply Vaseline to the edges so it doesn't destroy my edges. There's this old stuff our hairdressers when we were younger, when we used to relax and we used to do for us to tell that if you apply this your hair won't burn. It's a lie. My hair used to burn, then I can remember the middle of my hair actually burnt one time like that. But let's hope I don't burn my hair because I don't want it to stay on my hair for too long. Am I supposed to put on the center? I don't know, it's been a long time. Should I put on the center? Okay, let's apply to the center since it's going to be thoroughly exposed to everything we're going to be doing here today. So I sectioned it into 3. Yeah, the hair is a bush, as you can see. Oh jeez, I don't even know what I'm doing. Then next thing we're going to do is to mix the step 1A, that's the texturizer itself, with the liquid activator. And in the pack it comes with this spatula, so I'm going to do that right now. Then after that, we're going to be adding the oil into that mixture as well. Then this right here, we're going to be applying this to my hair. So let's go right into it. Man, how time flies. So now my hair is all oiled up, oiled up. My hair is all oiled. My hair is all oiled. My hair is all oiled up. Whatever. And now I get to add the blam. And according to the instruction, it's not supposed to sit for more than 30 minutes. So I guess I've actually never exceeded up to 10 minutes. I'm not going to do the test stuff because whether I like it or not, I'm relaxing my hair. I just spent $20 on this stuff and ain't no test gonna tell me not to do it. And even if it breaks my hair, I'm just gonna vex and cut it off. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do every other one, then I'm going to come back to the camera to do the last one. I think that works. But it's just basic and simple. And yeah, I don't comb my hair, that's why it has a lot of breakage. So have mercy on me when you decide to comment about the quality of my hair, because it is pretty better than yours because it's mine and my head. Okay, jokes apart. Now let's get into it. The main stuff. So there we have it. It is all set and done. I've made a lot of errors and mistakes. I hope it comes out nice and sparkling. And yeah, I rushed it through. And like I said earlier on, I don't want it completely straight. Just a little bit coily, you know what I'm saying, right? I still want to have my natural curls. I feel like I've done too much because I used a powder cup. And I know some people don't use a powder cups. But yeah. I have a feeling I should go and wash off now because I was playing with my hair. Like I literally gave a novice that has not even seen how light is being at how texturizers are applied to the hair, and the person just started wasting my time. So now I'm scared this part of my hair would actually be straighter than all other parts of my hair. Okay. Yeah, goes nothing. So I'm going to let it sit for an extra 4 minutes. So in total, let's say I'm spending about 12 minutes instead of 16 minutes for my coarse and kinky hair because we don't want it overly straight. Sit back, enjoy and relax. By the time you see me, I would have washed my hair and I'll be a changed lady after 2.5 years, plus another 3 years, plus another 1 year. Let's call it after 5, 6, 7. Okay, exactly 6.5 years. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Let's grow this channel. I talk about sex, I talk about books, I talk about writing especially more than the book itself, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I have so many topics waiting to be explored. And as this natural hair goes, who knows whatever I'm going to be posting. Okay, it's no longer natural. Oh my god, I'm no longer too natural. Oh my god, I need to go wash. Should I wax this part? Should I wax this part? Okay, so I just got out of the shower and this is the result. This is the result of not combing your hair properly and deciding to texlax or relax or whatever you call it your hair. So yeah, close up, this is what it looks like. My hair still has that kinky coily feel, and look, it just feels more voluminous. It's still one and the same. It's not so straight. Like I said, my hair almost came to life, I think, because of the messy way we applied it. See, this side is kind of limply straight. Wow, this side still has my kink and curls in it. So I'm going to comb it out now and get back on camera. But I feel good, like my hair is relaxing, like even though I've not combed it yet, it's like laying back without shooting out and being all over the place and trying to get noticed before I am noticed. So yeah, I'm just going to, I have in here my, what do you call it, my leave-in conditioner, oil and water. So when I went to shower, I washed and I used the neutralizing shampoo. It kept showing pink and pink and I gave up, and I decided to just, you know, condition it. So I think I'm going to wash it again tomorrow. I'm just going to co-wash it with my co-wash because I couldn't get to using the co-wash today. So chill out while I sort out combing out this mess of hair that I have to start combing now that I am no longer natural. One of the disadvantages already of not being natural. Huh? Okay, bye guys. We did it! Oh my god, finally! The hair is completely combed, and here is the amount of hair I am losing. When I was washing, nothing came out of my head, but finally, this is what I lost after texlaxing my beautiful hair. So now I'm going to comb it all together. I'm going to look at the beauty called my hair right now that is sleeping like a baby. Like, this is so sweet. Oh, lordy, 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 lordy. Like, it's so easy combing my hair. You know what I'm saying, right? You know, some people will be like, hey, you relax your hair. But yeah, this is way better and it's so bouncy. This is my 4C hair after, oh, did you hear that? I got some nuts down there. But nothing my Texlaxed hair won't fix. So my hair is still more natural than Texlaxed because I can still feel the like nice stubbornness of the hair. And as you can see, it's not all sleepy. But yeah, it's more manageable than before. So like I showed you earlier, if I stretch this hair on the numbs, oopsie, I did not do this part again very well. And just cut the hair. Huh? We're young, we can play around with our hair. It's gonna grow back, right? So when we have kids, can always just focus on the kids. So this is what my Texlaxed hair looks like. Still very much relaxed. I mean, natural. Just that now it obeys the comb's command, and yeah, it's all fluffed out. Like I said, more manageable. So I'm just gonna go out. Oh, why did I get that one tangled again? Oh my god. I hope I'm not going to be experiencing this though. Better. I'm just going to go out, probably jog, and enjoy the sun on my skin, and thank God for the lie relaxer. Thanks a lot for watching. Please be sure to subscribe. If you have any questions below, just type it down below in the comment section. I'll try as much as possible to give you updates about my beautiful hair that's been Texlaxed. So for quality assurance purposes, let's bring it closer so you can see the beauty called my hair. It's still the same color. The color did not necessarily change. Mine has always been a 4 whatever. Yeah, here we go. So my hair still retains the length, but I don't need to stretch it for too long before it is, obvious that it's actually long. If I relaxed it, I'm sure it will be so straight, it will look like bone straight. But yeah, and I'm not even putting my hair as it is, like when I'm like my natural, but if I put it, here we go, right here. And if I do it from the back, let's see. I need to apply more oil to my hair though. Here we go. Oh, here we go. So you got this. I can't pull my hair because I was scared, like it's still so fragile. But it's currently on my bust. So thanks a lot for watching once again. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment. I'm loving my hair.